In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneDrive folder location. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure to open OneDrive by going to Microsoft.com and looking for the product OneDrive from there. So you can actually just log in into your PC or sign in from in there, and then from there you can actually change the OneDrive folder location by signing in or creating an account. So here is my actual OneDrive. Here are my files. So for example, let's try to actually change this folder's location. It's currently on my root folder. Let's select this, which is my chat files, and I want to move it into my knowledge base. So in order to do that, you can just select that, click onto the three dots, which is the more actions option, and you can see in here the move to. Alternatively, when you already click onto that particular file, you can already find the move to option right here. So either way, you can click on this or just click on three dots and click on move to. From in there, you should be able to open this particular window that shows you on what location you can actually add it. So on my case, let's add it onto knowledge base. Click on this right here and it will open. And once it's open, click onto this move here. And this will actually move the folder directly inside the knowledge base folder that we have earlier. So doing that will help you change the OneDrive folder location according to your liking. You can also move specific item, not only folder, by clicking on them and doing the same thing such as moving them by clicking on three dots and clicking on move to and move them to specific folders of your choosing. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need about OneDrive. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!